In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find and check the Windows version on a PC or laptop. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, knowing your Windows version is super useful if you're checking your app or game requirements, troubleshooting issues, or if you're just verifying compatibility for softwares or updates. Whatever the reason, this is going to work on Windows 10 or 11, but essentially go to the middle of the taskbar by selecting this little like Windows icon right here. Once you're in here, go ahead and click on settings. If you don't see settings, just search for it and open it up. But once you are in the settings, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is look on this left-hand sidebar and go ahead and select system. If you don't see it, just search for it. But scroll all the way down to the very bottom. You're going to see a little about section here and open this up. Now on this about page, just scroll down specifically to the Windows specifications tab and go ahead and expand it. Mine's already expanded. And in this section, you're going to see the edition, for example, Windows 11 Home. You're going to see the version, which for me is 25H2. You're going to see the install date, the OS build, and your Windows Experience Pack. You can copy all this information if you need to send it to someone or paste it into a support ticket. But that is it. That is how you could check exactly which version of Windows your PC or laptop is running. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.